July 3rd. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 81 degrees, with dew point 67, and the relative humidity 62%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.22 inches and falling. At Gastonia, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 78 degrees. At Monroe, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 81 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 83 at Fayetteville and 78 at Asheville. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 79 at Hickory and 85 at Raleigh-Durham. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 76 at Shelby, 78 at Statesville, 80 at Greensboro, and 84 at Wilmington. In South Carolina, it was mostly sunny. Performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If the pandemic threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 192.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated in South Carolina, Cherokee, North Carolina, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York, and in North Carolina, Cleveland, Jasper, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. This concludes the Your Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Wednesday, July 3rd.
Typical
at
weekly
Charlotte Douglas
test.
International